Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to update drivers in Windows 11. Now there are a couple of things that we're going to do here, so bear with me. This is going to be a very short video and very interesting one. So the first thing that you are going to do is open updates. You can just go ahead and type here and then click check for updates. And then we can go ahead and click this one here to basically check if there's any updates available as of the moment. Alright, so in our case, seems like there is an update right now, and this is going to be for Microsoft Defender and Antivirus. So when you see something like this, just go ahead and click download and install, and then you're just going to wait for this to be installed. Now, in some cases, this is actually going to restart or require a restart on your PC. But yeah, basically after restarting, this should be updated. Now, the next thing that we are going to do is head over to where it says Device Manager. Go ahead and open this one up. And then from here, what you're going to do is look for the device. Say, for example, if it's keyboard, right click that one, click Scan for Hardware Changes, and then click this once again, Properties. Oops, let's go ahead and try to open one. Click Update Driver, search automatically for. Alright, seems like there's none. How about for our monitor? Alright, so nothing here, but basically that's how you're going to check it. Now, last thing, if you're using NVIDIA, for example, I want you to go ahead and open that NVIDIA driver. This is mine right here. I'm going to go ahead and double click that one. And it says here, preparing to install. Updating, so that's very good sign. Now from here, you can go ahead and click the drivers right here. And if, say, for example, there is an update here, you should be notified on the driver side. As of the moment, it says that this is up to date, so no worries on my end here. And yep, those are some of the ways that you can do in order to update your drivers here in Windows PC.